Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you don't want to see the welcome screen each time you launch the Photoshop Elements application, you can change the startup mode setting. Doing this then lets Photoshop Elements open either the Organizer or Photo Editor window at startup. To do this, click the cogwheel icon in the upper right corner of the welcome screen. Doing that shows the startup options at the top of the screen. Then click the On Start Always Launch drop-down. Then select either the Organizer or Photo Editor from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Done button. Then close the application. After that, the next time you launch the Photoshop Elements application, you will directly open whichever window you selected. To see the welcome screen again after launching Photoshop Elements, you can open it from the other windows by selecting Help, Welcome Screen from the menu bar. You can then use the same process previously discussed to change the default startup window back to the welcome screen choice. Also, you don't need the welcome screen to go to different parts of the application. For example, if you are currently within the Photo Editor window and want to switch to the Organizer window, you can click the Organizer button in the taskbar, which is discussed in more detail later.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.